Hi, my name's Kaz and we're standing in Wyndham Arcade in the centre of Cardiff. We run two businesses in this arcade. One is Wyndham Cafeteria and the second is WaterlooTea. Sourcing locally for us as a business is essentially fundamental. It makes us enjoy doing business. We know every pound that's spent will have a local impact beyond what we're doing as well. One of our most popular dishes is the mushrooms on toast, and people will often choose to have eggs on top of that. And it's lovely, you know, we have a local baker, Alex Gooch, who makes a sourdough for us. We create the herb aioli, we saute the mushrooms, which are sourced from Windsor fruit and veg. So yeah, all the ingredients we would have for a dish like that would be sourced locally. For us, running a sustainable food business is not only about the food that we put on a plate, it's about ensuring that our staff are looked after. It's kind of a non-negotiable. We've always paid above minimum wage. As a business, what we wanted to do was formalise the living wage rate. The staff are the most important thing that you have to pay attention to. They form part of that sustainability picture.